Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khulume with Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and most definitely subscribe.
Gogo Skhotheni uposte umntwana wakhe guys lebe singamadi guys liseva agogomaweni akhuluma ngaye athi apparently unemntwana alokhubadekile losesibhedlela nani. So Gogo Skhotheni guys abanga supposte umntwana wakhe guys but she decided to finally post his son guys laphana ku Facebook with the caption elethi uma ngithi God nedlozi amagabadi yalokusho kona ukuthi she's grateful guys for ukuthi umntwana wakhe guys ukhule waze wafika lana although abantu bese bafuna kwathi ukuthi hayibo uphethwe yini nomntana after ugogomaweni cruelly spoke about umntwana wakhe lokhubadekile wathi uthwele ngaye guys. So uGogo Skhotheni was very fuming kuva ukuthi gogomaweni uthi uthwele ngemntwana wakhe uthi how dare you say ngithwele ngemntwana nami, why would I do something like that? Ukhuluma into lengakayendi uyangithuka, like she was so fuming guys ngokuthi uthinze mntwana wakhe. Sathi ukuthi ungathinza noma ngabe yini guys emuntwini, but masothinza mntwana wakhe hayibo ziyakhala ziyatetema ziyalila and ziba ku loudspeaker. Please subscribe, share this video, comment say your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.